HooplaKidz How To presents Chiki Art! Hey kids, today we're gonna draw a cell phone. First I'm gonna draw the face of the phone, just like that. Now let's draw the inside face. Where all the cute icons go. Are you having fun yet? Let's draw these lines neatly with our black marker. Yay! Now it's time to color this in. I'm gonna use a bright orange color here. We can use a beautiful sky blue color for the outer part of the phone. This already looks great. Let's add some green, red, and yellow to the buttons. And here we go, our very own colorful cell phone. Hello boys and girls. Today we're gonna draw a handbag and it's so easy to do so. Here we go. Well, we are done with the bag and now for the handle. Now draw a semicircle that joins the handles of the handbag, like this, and the buckle. Almost done. Time for the fun thick outline. Ready to color? First, let's use some pink. Color, color, color. Color it pink all the way. Woohoo! Looks good. And then we color the handbag with a dark shade of pink. Make sure you leave out the buckle. Ooh, bright and pretty. And now for the bottom of the handbag. Color, color. Go for it. And an orange for the sides. And then some red. And repeat. Oh wow, some blue. And some yellow. And let's make the handle green. We're almost done. Yay! A handbag. Looks good. Hello kids. For the lipstick, draw 3 rectangles just like this. Let's paint with red first. Sky blue now. And a dark grey. Here we have a pretty lipstick. A big triangle, 3 squares within, and 5 small circles. We're drawing an eyeshadow palette. Let's paint with green. The first circle with red. Purple is next. Magenta. Sky blue. And pink. Let's paint the square with gold. Pink. And blue. This looks great. Lovely eyeshadow. Yay! Let's draw a brush. Just like this. Paint it with red. Grey. And a pretty golden color. Done! A brush! We're gonna draw some nail polish. A square, a rectangle on top, paint with green, some magenta, and golden too. Here is our nail polish. We're going to need some blush too. First draw a rectangle, now 2 squares within. Draw a rectangle again for the mirror and now paint. Blue, aqua blue, golden, and magenta, sea green, and pink blush shades. Here is our pretty blush. Our makeup kit is all done. Hope you had fun.